how to find LCM. So in our previous class, we already done to find LCM by using multiplication method. Okay, and this method is here done for you, and this is already done in class. And next, prime factorization method. This one also done in class 4. So today we'll learn how to find LCM by using division method. Okay, so here see question here we can find the LCM by division method. So how we'll do, you see in, so today I'll show you this. Earlier the factorization method we have done in separate division, right? But here we'll do all the division together. Okay, in division method we'll divide the given numbers in together. So here we'll write 12 and then 15 and 24, right? So first we'll divide. Always we try to divide by prime numbers. Okay, so you know what are the prime numbers. So first we'll divide by 2. If you see first 6 to the how much, 12. Okay. Next, so here we'll give comma 2. How many times in 15? We can't cut by to this 15. So if you can't cut, then we'll write same as usual. Whatever is there, so 15 will write. Okay. So next number is what, comma 24 written. So we'll divide this 24 by 2. So 22 12 is what, 24. Okay. So next, again we will try to divide by 2. Okay, because here even numbers are given, having, so 2, how many times in 6, 3. Okay, and give comma. Now we can't divide this by 2 15. So we'll write same, whatever is there. So 15 15. Now 2 how many times in 12, 6 times. So 2 6 are 12. Now again we'll divide by 2. Okay, 2 how many times in 3. We can't divide this 3 by 2. So we'll write same. So here also 15 also we can't divide by 2. So we'll write same. Now this what, 6. 2 6 are 3 3 2 just 6. So next, we try to divide by, because now you see no, here 3 15 and 3, this will not divide by 2. So next number will use 3. So 3 how many times in 3, 1 times. And 3 how many times in 15, 3 5 ja 15. So 3 how many times in 3, 1 times. So here you see all the numbers divided by 3. Now next I will try to divide by 5. Okay, so now you see 5 1 ja 5, and then 5 1 ja 5. Now 5 1 ja 5. Now see all the here all numbers came what, 1 1 1 1. If 1 1 came, then finished. Okay, now we'll find the LCM. What we will do, we'll multiply. Here we'll write LCM equal to, we'll multiply all the numbers there. Okay, so here 2, and then again 2. How many twos are there? 3 twos, and then 3, and then what, have 5. If we multiply this all, then we'll get the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, so 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40, 40 to the 120. So LCM will be 120. Okay, so I'll show you the next example. So here you see question, example B, 60 and 120 and 180 and 240 written. Okay, so we'll divide this 60 and 180 and 120 or 240 is there, right? Okay, first we'll write like that. And first you see all of the even numbers, to try to divide by 2. So always try to divide by the prime number. So prime is itself is a 2 is a prime number, right? So 2 how many times in 60, 30, because 32 is what, 60. So again here 62 is what, 120, right? 2 how many times in 120, 60 times. So here what, have 180. 2 how many times in 180, 90 times, because 92 is what, 180. And then comma, there is 240. So 12 to the what, 240, right? So again we'll give line, and we'll divide by 2 again. So 2 how many times in 30, 15 times. 15 to the what, 30. And 2 how many times in 60, 30 times. 30 to the 60. And 2 how many times in 45, sorry, 90, 45 to the 90. And then 2 again divide to 120, then there will be 60, right? Again we'll give line. So there is what again we'll divide by 2. Okay, so here you see 15 can't divide by 2, so we'll write same. So again here 30, so 15 how many times, sorry 30, 2 how many times in 30, 15 times, right? 15 to 10. Now 45 will write same because you can't divide by 2, so 60 to 30 is 60. Okay, and now next we try to divide by 2 because 30 will divide by 2. So here you can't divide this 15 by 2, will write same. This also we can divide by 2, and there 45 we can also divide by 2, so we'll write same. Okay, so now here is 30, so this 30 will divide by 15, so 15 to the 30. So next this 15, 45 can't, and 15 can't divide by 2, so next number will take 3. So 3 5 ja 15, and here also 3 5 ja 15, and there 3 15 ja 45. Okay, and 3 5 ja 15. Now see next number again we will use the 3 because this 15 can divide by 3, so but 5 and 5 can't divide by 3, so here again we'll write same numbers. If not divided by 3, then there you see there 5 3 ja 15, and there 5. Okay, now see all numbers came same 5 5 5, so we'll divide by 5. Okay, then 5 1 ja 5, here also 5 1 ja 5, here also 5 1 ja 5, here also 5 1 ja 5. Now see in the, and here 1 1 1 1 came, right? So therefore up to this much you do, and then you write LCM. Then LCM will be the multiple of the all these numbers. Okay, so here 2 into how many 2's are there? 4 2, so we'll write 2 into 2, again 2, again 2, and then what have 3. So here 3, and then what have 3, next last number, this one is 5. Now we'll multiply all the these numbers. So here if 5 to ja what 10, 10 to ja 20, 20 to ja 40, 40 to ja 80, 83 ja 240, and 243 ja 720. So do it, multiply by yourself. Okay, I have done here. So 720, so this is the LCM of 60, 120, 180 and 240. Okay, and exercise 7.2 question number 1, all are given homework for you. Okay, now I will show the question number 2. Find the LCM by using division method. The earlier question were what 3 numbers given, now having 4 numbers. Okay, so from there I will show you only one question, and okay, and rest of the questions do by yourself. So solution will write here. You see question number A, 12, 18 and 24 and 30. So first we'll give line, and here first we'll write 12, and comma will give 18, and comma will give 24, and then here we'll write 30. Okay, so these numbers will divide by, first try to divide by prime number. This prime number is 2. Okay, 2 how many times in 12? 6 times. And 2 how many times in 18? 9 times. 9 to ja 18. And 2 how many times in 24? 12 times. 2 12 ja 24, and 15 to ja 30. Okay, so again we will divide by 2. So 2 how many times in 6? 3. 3 to ja 6, and then what have 9, so 3 3 ja, so this 9 can't divide by 2, so we'll write same. So this 12 can divide by 2, so 3 2 ja, 2 6 ja 12, and here 15 will write same because you can't divide by 2. Now next we'll divide by 2 because one number is there, this number will divide by 2, that this is 6. Okay, and other number we can't divide by 2, so I will write same. So you see here we have written here 3 9, and there 3 3 to just 6, and 15 will write same. Okay, so now these numbers are divided by 3. Okay, so 3 how many times in 3? 1 times. And 3 how many times in 9? 3 3 ja 9. And 3 how many times in 3? 1 times. And 3 5 ja 15. Okay, and next I will write there you see 3 and 5 have, and so divide by 3. Okay, and there is 1, and then 3 1 ja 3, and there 1 have, so we'll write same. We can divide by 3 to this one, and then 5 have, then also write 5 here because we can't divide this 5 by 3. So now 5 how many times? 1 1 times, and having also 1 there also, 1, and there is 5. 5 1 just 5. Now what we will do, we'll multiply all the factors here. Okay, so LCM equal to, what we'll write, we'll multiply all these numbers, 2, and then 3, then 2, sorry, 2 into 2 into 2. How many twos are there? 3 twos, right? And then 3, and then we'll give multiply 3, and then multiply sign will give 5. Okay, here what I have written, 5. So now after that we'll multiply all these factors. Okay, here you see 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 8 5 to 30, sorry, 8 5 to 40, 43 to 120, 123 to 360. So here answer will be 360. So multiplication, do it by yourself. Okay, so I have done here, you see, and rest of the question B, E, C, F, D, do it by yourself. Okay, if you have any confusion, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.